I'm a sophomore at Hockaday.
Hi, I'm Ascension and I go to Harmony School of Business. And today we're going to be presenting our game called The Insane Mansion of Boys. So some major features in our game are the pointer lock controls, which allows you to use the mouse, the arrows, WASD, and also the space bar to move easily. The creepy music was inserted into our game like last minute, but it's very simple and it's easy to input into our code, and I think it makes the game 2 times better. And then another feature is the ability to turn on and off the flashlight with the click of the F key. And so Makayla will go more into depth on these features.
Okay, so this game was really fun for us to make. On trying to decide what game we wanted to make, Ascension was really into haunted houses, and I was really into puzzle games, so we combined them and was like, why not make a haunted house puzzle game? So the objective of the game is to get from room to room by just looking around and finding resources. So in this first room, we have a key in the corner here that you have to pick up in order to get into the second room. And then this allows you to get into the second room, which is themed as a bathroom, which is really cool. So in order to make both of these rooms, we just made different boxes in each one, and we designed the walls and the floors from just finding different textures online. So for this one, we just found a tile and then just looked at wall textures, and we inserted those there. And the same thing for this room. We just found a carpet texture and a wall texture. So this is the code for our first room, which is where you first appear when you enter the game. So this code here is how you pick up the key in order to get to the second room. So this is also another collision issue that we had of figuring out how close you needed to be to the key in order to pick it up, and then how close you needed to be to the door in order for the door to open to allow you to get into the second room, which was really hard for us to do, and we had a lot of back and forth. And then another issue we had was the lighting in the room. Because of the type of furniture that we imported, if the light was too dark, then you couldn't see anything, and it was just random black shapes. But also, if it was too bright, then you also couldn't see anything. For the flashlight issues, it kind of took a while for us to figure out how we were going to shape it out, and then also how bright the intensity was. For we didn't want it to be too bright where it looked unreal. We wanted it to look more natural. Problems I encountered were debugging mostly. So our process was basically going into the JavaScript console and going through all of our code and figure out what was the problem, and then fixing it and refreshing it to see if it worked. So in the future for our game, we want to add obviously more and more rooms to go through, so and we also want to add more puzzles, more things to find, make them harder to find since our key is kind of obviously in the corner. And then maybe have some more obstacles you have to go through, so maybe there's something in your path that's blocking the key that you need to get into the next room.
Yeah, so that's our game.